Hvem er du, Ben?
Pirate.
Are you a pirate?
You call me pirate.
I'm coming. Are you a pirate?
No, me.
Go back.
Helicopter.
Go back a bit. Mum can't get up. I can't get up if you're standing there, can I? Move away a bit. Right. Are we going on the boat, Ben?
Yeah.
Whose boat is it? Is it Morfar's boat? Is it?
Pirate ship.
Is it a pirate ship? Morfar doesn't have a pirate ship.
A bar.
Does
Pirate ship.
Morfar have a pirate ship?
The pirate ship down there.
Oh, is the pirate ship down there? Okay.
See, you know people went there.
Okay. And who is?
Oh, water.
Who are you?
Ben.
You're Ben. Who am I?
You had Mum.
I'm Mum. Okay. Who's sailing the ship?
No, a water.
Oh, Morfar's sailing the ship. Are you Morfar then? I'm Lisa. Right. You're Morfar. Okay. Oh, is that I have to sail the ship because I'm Elisa? Is that so? Is that what it is, Ben? 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 Why am I sailing the ship? Is the ship broken? So, is Elisa going to fix it? You fixing it? Oh, you're holding on to the window.
You come, you may know when that. They coming down.
Okay.
That's very needed.
All right.
People.
Careful now.
I'm not fixing it.
Oh, you fixed it? Good work. Are you coming back on the ship then?
Yeah.
Is it the pirate ship?
Well, I use a boat.
It's Elisa's boat. Okay. And Morfar's boat. Okay.
Yes, a boat. Morpher boat.
Okay.
Yes, a morpher boat.
Okay.
Well done.
Are you going to come and steer the boat for a bit?
No.
Oh, why not?
You, Lisa.
I'm Elisa.